Hey guys, what's going on? So, real quick video today. Real quick leather working tutorial, tip, hack, whatever you want to call it. I have been looking for a way since I got started leatherworking for how to best remove rivets. These are traditional rivets that you set with the rivet head on there. And I discovered the way today that works best for me. Weaver Leather recommends using a power drill to drill through the center. I tried that. I couldn't get the thing to stay. And so this same nipper tool, which is called Knipex, standard issue nipping tool, I found does the job. Now, what I'm gonna do, since this is obviously the nipper tool can't go wider than the leather itself, there is a trick we can do. We can do this. Get it between these two layers on this side, get it in there, get it between. All right, and then just move it. This way you won't damage the leather. But as you can see, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna squeeze, and the heads popped off both. The nippers are in a perfect position now to just simply squeeze. Head comes off. Just pull the rivets out. So, what do you guys think? Let me know what you think. I'm gonna do it to this too. If you know any better ways, please let me know in the comments. But for now, this is the best way I have found. Again, I'm coming between, getting the one side in there, getting the other side. So yeah, you see both sides are in there. And then one at a time, see if we can get it to pop. Yeah, you get that good pop. It's free. And as you can see, the leather is not damaged. That's the big thing to keep in mind. Swivel snap is free. All right, last one here. And I have some other nippers coming in that should be more blunt, that I think will do a better job. I was in my friend Cobbler Sonny's shop today. He had an old pair of Knipex that were very blunt, and they were very ideal. So these you got to be careful with. They're sharp. They could possibly, if you don't get in there at just the right angle, you could possibly cut through the leather. That's why I'm doing this gingerly with this pair, because these are sharp. These do cut through solid brass and solid copper rivets. You just got to be careful. You got to make sure you're going. You got to make sure that you're not going to mangle the leather in the process. that you're right between each flap, which I am. So you just squeeze, and it comes undone real easy. As you can see, you get a little bit of rubbing there, but if you're reusing it, it's going to be covered up anyways. There's no real damage. There's no structural damage, just cosmetic. But anyways, if you guys have any hints and tips and tricks for how to remove rivet heads, I would greatly appreciate it. What do you think of this method? Is this something you've seen before? I've scoured YouTube for all the methods, and like I said, this one that I found seems to be the best. So anyways, you guys, you experts out there, let me know. And anyways, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video.